So I'm actually getting a little bit more scientific here. Got a scale. So right now, whoa, focus. Okay, it's about 80, maybe 85 grams. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put a carefully measured. Actually, this is like what I feel would be a good amount of birdseed to have out for the bird seed. And now the scale is reading just shy of 120 grams. So we've got about 20 grams gram force, I guess you call it, pulling down on this, which would be exerted on the flat to hold it closed. So a difference of 20 grams between empty and full. And I can also adjust this lever arm and maybe some more maybe make a couple more measurements at a little further distance and see the difference there. So I've gone ahead and filled up the bin here. I've got my scale here. What I'm going to do is I've got just enough force on here. I've got a string tied to it holding it with the clamp. I'm going to start reducing that tension on the scale and see when it starts to drop. Like that. When the seeds start to drop. At what force? No, it's not much. Basically, the weight of the scale. Okay. All right, good.
So the conclusion that I think I've arrived at here is that we need a spring counteracting that weight. Trying to hold it as still as possible. So it's going to, if I have a certain amount of weight there, and I'm going to try this. All right, so what I've done here is I've got the scale just holding, basically pulled it tight until the seeds start to fall out. And what I'm going to do now is just clean the seeds off from here, as if the birds had eaten them, and then I'm going to release my finger, holding it off, and there it is. Wow.